Have you ever wondered how the complex system of roads, bridges, and tunnels you use every day came to be? The story begins with our earliest ancestors. They blazed trails through the wilderness, creating the first footpaths. The wheel, invented around 5,000 years ago, revolutionized transportation, leading to the creation of chariots and wagons. Fast forward to the era of the Romans, known for their impressive road network that spanned their vast empire. It was a feat of engineering that allowed for efficient movement of armies and goods, setting a standard for future infrastructure. Then came the Industrial Revolution, a game-changer for transportation. The advent of steam engines facilitated the creation of railways, making long-distance travel and heavy freight transportation faster and more efficient than ever before. And so, transportation engineering began to take the shape that we recognize today. As the world entered the 20th century, transportation engineering evolved rapidly. The introduction of motor vehicles sparked a demand for improved road infrastructure, leading to the development of modern highways and bridges. These structures were designed to withstand heavier traffic loads and optimize traffic flow, revolutionizing land travel. Around the same time, the skies and outer space also became viable avenues for travel. This led to the advent of air and space travel, adding another layer to the realm of transportation engineering. But the transformation didn't stop there. The rise of technology introduced game-changing elements like traffic management systems and GPS technology. These innovations allowed for real-time traffic updates and precise navigation, greatly enhancing the efficiency and safety of travel. From the motorized vehicles that roam our roads to the spacecraft that traverse the cosmos, technology has played a pivotal role in shaping our current transportation systems. Modern transportation engineering has truly transformed the way we move. As we look to the future, the field of transportation engineering continues to evolve. Emerging technologies such as self-driving cars, Hyperloop, and drones are set to revolutionize our transportation infrastructure. Imagine a world where your car drives you, or where you can travel from London to Edinburgh in less than 45 minutes through a Hyperloop. Or even a world where drones deliver your online shopping right at your doorstep. But it's not just about speed and convenience. The growing importance of sustainability in transportation engineering is reshaping the way we view mobility. The increasing use of electric vehicles, driven by advancements in battery technology, is reducing our carbon footprint, while the development of more efficient public transportation systems is easing congestion in our cities. These changes present both new opportunities and challenges for transportation engineers. But one thing is clear: the future of transportation engineering is bright, and it's green. Indeed, the future of transportation engineering promises to be as exciting as its past. So we've journeyed from the humble beginnings of transportation engineering to its modern state and glimpsed into its future. From the establishment of simple paths, humanity has taken leaps and bounds with the creation of complex transportation networks. These intricate systems, a testament to human ingenuity, have vastly transformed our world, making it smaller and more interconnected than ever before. Technology has played a pivotal role in this transformation. It has provided us with the tools to design safer, more efficient, and more environmentally friendly transport systems, shaping the way we live, work, and travel. And the journey doesn't stop here. The field of transportation engineering continues to evolve, with emerging trends like autonomous vehicles, digital twins, and smart cities promising to revolutionize our infrastructure even further. As we navigate the roads, fly through the skies, or simply commute to work, let's appreciate the ingenious work of transportation engineers throughout history and look forward to the innovations yet to come.